guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to change the Gemini's voice on your account easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application. Now as you see here, you will find your profile icon up here. Click on it and then click on the settings, and as you see now, here you will find Gemini's voice, so click on it.
You can always change voices later.
If you're curious, it's good to meet you. Give me a chance.
Maybe I'm your style. I'd be honored to be the...
Choosing a voice is tricky.
Maybe I'm the...
So that's how to change the Gemini's voice on your account easy and quickly, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.